Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video we will tell you how to make money in USA. So there are 35 ways to long-term strategies to make money online in 2023. So let's get started. Many people want to make money online due to its many benefits and relatively low barriers to entry. Most online money-making methods only require a computer or mobile devices and solid internet connection. These methods let you conduct business on your own schedule and from anywhere. You can make money while traveling the world or from the comfort of your home. If you are unsure which only money-making method is for you, we are here to help you. This article explores 10 terms and 25 long-term ways to make money online. For each method, we will include the necessary tools and skills, potential profit, and whom the method is best for. Whether you are looking for ways to generate some extra cash on the side or start a new business venture, we hope this article can help you decide how would like to earn money online. So first of all, how to make money online. There are video tutorial and then these are 10 ways to make money online in short term. Consider our top picks for the best ways to start making money online immediately. Number 1. Sell used items. Offer items you already own like used clothes, furniture and appliances. Number 2. Create and sell artwork. Sell goods with your design printed on them and accept commissions to create custom artwork. At point 3. Take online surveys. Make money while helping companies improve their products and services by sharing your own opinions on survey websites. At point 4. Test games and apps. Become one of the first to try out new games and apps and share your thoughts with the developers. And point 5. Review websites. Improve the user experience of various websites by testing them and giving feedback. At point 6. Become a mystery shopper. Get paid to shop at various businesses and share your experience to help companies improve customer services and satisfaction. At point 7. Monetize school notes. Excel at your studies while earning extra income by sharing your organized notes with other students. At point 8. Become a voiceover artist. Use your voice and make money immediately by narrating movie trailers, commercials, and audiobooks. At point 9. Sell stocks, videos, and photos. Enjoy passive income by taking high quality photos and videos and selling them for people to use in their content. And at the point of last, compose and sell loyalty-free music. Write songs and offer them to people interested in incorporating music into their videos or podcasts. So sell used items. So whole method states prerequisites: a computer or mobile device, second-hand items to sell. Best for anywhere who owns a lot of items in relatively good condition. Potential income $10 to $15. Create a cell network. Method state. Pre-required: a computer or mobile or supplies and skills. Best for digital or traditional artists. Potential income dozens to thousands of dollars, varies widely depending on the artist's popularity and network type. Artists can make good money by selling digital or physical artwork and accepting commissions. Increasing exposure and attract buyers by posting your art on online communities like ArtStation and DeviantArt. Selling art through a social media account is also a great option. For example, create an Instagram account dedicated to your art and activate the Instagram shopping feature. Alternative: get a Facebook marketplace, join groups and promote your art to potential customers. You can also sell designs through your own websites. Make a portfolio website to attract clients. Additionally, make money by creating an online store to sell items bearing your designs. Art stations or marketplace let artists earn up to 95% from sales. On the other hand, you can earn 100% profit if you sell on your website or social media channels. Take online surveys. Many people earn extra money by participating in company surveys about consumer behavior. The results of these surveys can help companies make informed decisions about their business. So these are the ways to make money online in USA. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.